Hey everybody, thanks for checking us out today. You know, one of the things I love about my Maverick is there are so many things that you can do to customize this truck, and a lot of them aren't very hard to do and don't cost you a lot of money. So today I'm going to be doing a job that cost me a grand total of $34. I went online and I picked up 2 packs of LED bulbs from LasFit. These things are super bright. I've seen a lot of other folks talking about how wonderful they are, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead, change the third brake light and the 2 backup / cargo lights on my truck from the stock incandescents to the LasFit LEDs. I'm going to wait until it gets dark. We'll come out here, we'll do the before shots showing you the brightness of the factory bulbs, and then tomorrow I'll go ahead and do this quick install and shoot the after to show you how much improvement we get from the factory bulbs to that LasFit LEDs. Okay, so as you can see, it's dark. I just wanted to give you guys a look at what these lights are like stock. So if you come in a little closer, I wanted to show you this. So I have the XLT luxury package, and this comes with an LED light for the bed. You'll also get this power outlet, and it's got a button here so I can actually turn off, which is going to give you pitch dark, and I can bring it back on, and you can see I've got some nice LEDs to illuminate, you know, whatever you might be working with in bed. That switch also turns on your cargo lights up here on the back of the cab, and you can see as you look at those compared to this LED, right? This is LED lighting. It's really nice and white and bright, and those lights up on the back of the cab are very yellow. You can tell that incandescent lighting, it's just a different temperature of light and it's not as bright. And then you can stay there. I'm just going to open the cab and hit the brake pedal. So you can see that brake light. I'm thinking that when I take those 3 bulbs out tomorrow and put the LEDs in there, that we're going to see a dramatic difference. So, all right, so I'm getting ready to install. I just wanted to show you guys the lights that you're going to need if you want to do this mod. As you can see, it's 2 packs of bulbs, 2 bulbs in a pack. And what you have here, these are the LasFit. This is the LT15R, which is going to be your red bulb. That's going to be your replacement for your third brake light. And then you've got the regular LT15, which are going to be your white lights. Those are going to be your replacements for the reverse and cargo lights. And then as far as the install, you've just got 4 Torx bolts here, and I'm just going to use a ratcheting screwdriver. All right, so as you can see, 4 screws removed, and then you go and have the light assembly just pops right out. So once you have these out, all you have to do to access the bulbs is twist, and that's going to pop right out. And then your bulb is going to just pop right out of there. And I've got the other bulb here. That's going to be a direct replacement. Should pop right in here. Yep, that's it. Just pops right in. You can fit that back. So that's the first side marker. And I've got the other side marker over here. So now I'm going to go ahead and take out the third brake light marker. So that's all there is to it. That easy to get in and out. And I've replaced all 3 bulbs, and this just fits right back in. There we go. Now I just have to put the screws back in.
All right, so that's literally all there is to it. If you can change a light bulb, you can do this mod. We'll come back out this evening after it gets dark and show you a look at the finished product. All right, so it's the moment we've all been waiting for. I got these installed. I know they work. I'm gonna hit the button here. Voila. I think that you can obviously see for yourself, that's a pretty dramatic improvement. These last fit LEDs are super bright, and that's a lot of great light for your work area. You know, last night I was talking about how white these LEDs that were already on the truck seemed compared to those cargo lights, which were really yellow. And now this light actually seems dim compared to those. So I'm really happy with that. Let me go show you the brake light real quick. Again, it's just a lot brighter. And that can't be a bad thing for visibility, you know. Last thing I want to do is get rear-ended in my new truck. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. If you can change a light bulb, you can definitely do this upgrade. 34 bucks, 15 minutes of your time, better light. So thanks for checking us out and have a great day.